In this video, I'll show you how to post disposal invoices in WinkSell. Disposal invoices include all items that are neither sold nor present in inventory, such as those that are lost, stolen, discarded, or damaged. To begin, click on this Disposal menu item. Select a category from this drop-down or add a new one from here. After selecting the category, search for the product by name. The total item quantity is displayed here. Select the product type, either unit or pack. Enter the quantity you wish to mark as disposed of under the lost category. Net cost value here shows the deficit resulting from this disposal based on the purchase price. Click on Post, then Yes, and the quantity for the product will be updated. If there was an error in quantity, or you have found the disposed of items, you can make a return by clicking the Return button as a whole or for a specific item. That's all for the disposal. And to learn about other interfaces, please watch our other videos.